Hey, Levi. Hey, buddy. Hey, this is Sucker Punch 341 saying that this is me and my dog. His name is Levi. Hey, Levi. Say hi. Smile, buddy. Isn't he awesome? He's the bomb. He's part hunting dog.
Did you really just say the bomb? Really?
Shut up. He's the bomb. He's part hunting dog. Look at this little guy. Look, his skull can practically fit in my hand. So, you know, isn't that an awesome dog? He's an awesome dog. I'm an awesome person. He's an awesome dog. What more could you ask for? I mean, this is just like... And now here's my not-so-awesome sister with some unkind words.
This video is stupid. Just save yourself and X out now.
Told you. We're moving through the house, aren't we? Time to show you the house. Uh-oh. It's dark up there. Now it's not. It's light. With the holy lights of lightness. Now... This is my room. Messy, huh? Yes, those are Taekwondo belts. Shut up. I know you might not think I'm much. Call of Duty Black Ops. Hats. Boston Celtics. That's my sister's bedroom door. That's my other sister's bedroom door. As you can see, we're not very decorative people. Hey, cool, my feet. Right? Alright, buddy. Alright. Want to get that
Video
ear down.
you petting the dog with your feet.
Let's go outside now. Let's see what that is like. Shut up, Hannah. This is our porch. This is where we are. Ohio's a peaceful place. Not much doggy poop. I know what you're thinking. Ohio's not much. It's pretty boring. You're right. Ohio is the most boring state ever. Known fact. Shut up.